Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Welcome to Keyless Marketing, where I review IT and cloud-based products. I also give you tips and tricks on how to make money online. So today I am presenting you with a way you can actually make money with Google for free, starting for free, like zero investment but your time. So let's get into it. And just a reminder for you to help a girl out, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, so that will let the YouTube algorithm know that this video was helpful, and it will push my video out so more people that is looking for ways to make money online can get this video so I can help them. So please help me help you and help everybody else around the world. Okay, so let's get into it. You already know we are on Fiverr, so we're gonna head over to Fiverr and you're gonna type in Google Ads. All right, so this is how we're going to make money with Google using, well, having services doing and creating Google Ads for people and companies who needs people like us. All you have to do is find a person that is popping in model day tactics. Okay, so right here, this is a Google Ad specialist. He start at $55. We have someone that start at $150. This one has 155 clients. This one has 748 clients. Okay, let's come over to him. He has his face on there. He has a good profile. He told you what he is all about. Okay, so what I suggest you to do is model people that is going to be doing exactly what you want to do. Okay, model people that's doing what you want to do. So model him. Okay, model this guy. He has a basic plan. He shows you the 2-day delivery. He shows you what's in it, the account setup, the 2 suggestions, the 1 audience target suggestions, the 3 ad extensions. Okay, this is a basic. And then we have his standard plan, just waiting on the low, which is $80, and have everything suggested that it comes with. And then we have the premium, which is $120, which is a 3-day delivery. So everything is listed right here, in which I say you can copy, you can model the way that he writes his setup and everything about his gig. So right here, he has a clear description of what he has to offer. Okay, everything that he has to offer, everything. These are the companies that he was promoted with when it came down to his ads. And then he has a note of things that you should know when working with him. Okay, so like I said, you model the people that is doing the things that you want to do. Right now, I am showing you how you can make money using Google. Okay, so boom, this is how you're going to be making the money posting your services on Fiverr. They also have other freelance websites as of Upwork also, so you can post your services on Fiverr and Upwork. Okay, and how do you get these skills? Okay, we go to Google. We go right to Google Skills Shop. Okay, Google Skills Shop has everything that you need to succeed with making a profitable online business doing Google Ads for other people. You go in, you sign up, and you come over to browse. You come over to browse, and then you select Google Ads certifications. Okay. When you go to Google Ads certification, they're going to give you the following details right here, which is these are different trainings. So you have Google Ad Search, you have Google Ad Display, you have Google Ad measuring certifications. You're going to go to Google Ad Search certifications right here. So when you come right here, all you have to do is like follow. It's going to be a step-by-step program for you to follow, and it's going to actually show you the rundown what you should be expecting with this course. Okay, get started. This is prepare for the certification that is optional, and this is everything that you will be learning inside of the Google search course. And then after you finish the course, you'll get your certification. So right here, you're going to be learning grow your business with Google Ads, explore the value of Google search, understand Google Ads auctions, deliver the right message, and so forth and so on. Okay, so how are you going to let people know that you are doing Google Ads? Oh baby, Go to social media. You can go to Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, whatever. I like Facebook, guys. Like I always say, go to Facebook and find groups, people that is looking for the things that you have to provide and valuable content. How you're going to get valuable content? By sharing the knowledge that you have learned inside of this Google Ads course. Okay, you cannot front on your knowledge. Once you have taken the time to invest into learning some new skill, you have knowledge to provide to other people that don't know, like companies. He was working for plumbing companies, schooling, roofing, and stuff like that. These people are hands-on. They don't know nothing about Google Ads. They just know that they have a business and they want their business to be known out there. So go follow business pages, people who is interested in Google Ads, and let them know that you can help them. Businesses for Black people, white people, whatever. Find your niche. Businesses for women, businesses for stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home dad, any kind of people. Find the people that you are willing to help and go look for the groups that they are in. Okay, and promote. Show them that you are capable of getting their business out there for the world to know that they have a service or a product to offer. Like I said, all you have to do is remember the people that you want to be. Do not copy and paste what they have. Make sure you change it up, switch it up. All right, guys. So if you want to know exactly how I make money online, make sure you hit up my comments in my description, which I'll be leaving a link to the exact training that I took to start making money online. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel, and I will see you in another video.